Like, seriously, like, I can't. Like, what's up, YouTube family? I am back. I'm so excited to be back. I'm gonna be talking about a lot of stuff. A lot, and I cannot wait to give you guys positive and great content. I've been saying that I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna do this, but I'm finally determined. So I really want you guys to subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you can, share. What, I'm excited to be back. This is a very, very quick and short video. So it's gonna be a couple of seconds, maybe a minute, maybe not, but I just can't wait. I can't wait. I can't even get it out. I'm really excited, and I hope that you guys are excited because I'm excited. I've changed my makeup skills and my techniques a little bit, so I can't wait to show you guys that, and I can't even talk because I'm that excited. So thanks for watching. See ya. Wow. Yeah, y'all, I don't film this video. I done filmed this video like 3 times, and it's only a second, literally. Bye.